Right now, I'm driving through my neighborhood, trying to see what's going on. Wow. Like, do y'all see that right there? Like, this shit is for real right now. Like, it took out the whole back section. Wow. Guess that means I need to drive slow. That whole tree down there is done. Oh my god. A tree. I don't know what happened there. This is all from Ike. Like, really. That tree fell. This is my friend's house. Ain't too bad over here. Brother got a couple stuff on her. Wow. 9-piece chicken. Yo, that's Nick. What's up, Nick? Doing good? Yeah, I'm good. Y'all alright? Wow, let's go down here. Wow. It took out like the whole fucking, why are you people following me? Like, I'm thinking mad. Cause I gotta drive past the shit fast, right? But like, shit is crazy though. Like, wow. Let's take it out. Oh, and run over the stick. Not stuck up under my car. That whole fence has been taken out. Those sticks stuck up under my car. Okay, anyways. Okay, it came off. Oh, then you get lodged in my tire. Wow. Like, took out the whole fence right there. This is real right now. Like, I've never been in a hurricane, so this is all new to me. All very new to me. Wow. Like, they have no fence at all. I mean, I know this is like minor stuff, but it's just the fact that this is all new to me. Like, I ain't, all these trees and stuff that's just stuck. People out here picking up leaves and pine cones and shit like that. I mean, stuff like that. It's real. Like, so real. So real. Wow, this is the park. It's like covered with trees right now. Oh. Wow. There's a playground back there. Okay, yeah, and this truck is just gonna come barreling down on me. Wow. Like, it's kind of scary because I didn't know all this was happening. You know, it hit at nighttime. It hit at nighttime, so you couldn't see anything at all. Like, at all. And stuff was just flying all over the place. Wow. Let's turn around here. More people with no fences. Jeez. Like, no fence at all. Just no backyard. I wonder how they feel to wake up and you ain't got no backyard. Like, I know that shit must happen. Tripping out. I wonder if my little sister's at home. Check on her house. That tree fell. Came up root. Seems like all the outside houses are the ones that got the most ride. Mom and sister's house. And then took out their back, their fence. Wow. Okay. Like this is crazy. Wow. Going out to some of the main streets now. Out by my house. Can't really drive that fast because people's fences are just all knocked out. Like they don't have any kind of fence. Like nobody in our neighborhood has fences now. The good thing about that is it's a minor expense. You ain't really gotta spend like Grand Theft Auto on no fence. Like I said, the people who didn't have anything to block, it seemed like they had the worst. Shingles and stuff came off. So signs are messed up. And I imagine this person is like driving on my bumper, and I'm trying to record. I'm trying not to go too fast so y'all can see. But yeah, this is Post Ike coming dead at you. They got a swimming pool. That's a nice pool. I know who that is. That's my homeboy. He stay there. So yeah. So this is very much so real. The lights are out. Trying to get the camera to focus. When they say we have no power, we have none. None at all. More videos coming soon. Other hurricane. Signs are all messed up, jacked up. That's on my car. Trees falling. So, holla. I'm alive, so that's all that really matters to me right now. Wow, no shingles. Alright, chunkers.